can reduce work time by an impressive 40%. This significant time saving translates into increased productivity and a more manageable workload. Whether lifting tiles or heavy equipment, the EZG Manufacturing PM1 AIR and Grip Hog vacuum lifters are engineered to make the workday easier and more efficient. The Fisher Duotech is an innovative fastener designed to make the installation process easier and more efficient for craftsmen worldwide. These self-drilling drywall plugs, also known as Fisher Geotech, are constructed from fiberglass reinforced plastic and